Hey guys, Scott here from Best Guitar Lessons Ever. Just doing a simple, quick lesson today on Sugaree by Jerry Garcia Band. It's pretty easy. There's a few bar chords and a few individual notes to play, but I think with a little bit of practice you should be able to get it pretty easily. I'm just going to play through once and then just kind of dig in. So we're starting on the B bar chord, 2nd fret, A shape, E, okay, so the little verse part here starts with an open E string, 2nd fret E string, open A string, 2nd fret A string. Okay, let's do that with a little bit more speed. And you'll see that that 2nd fret A string, that's the B note, and you're playing the B power chord. Okay, so it goes like this. Okay. And then another thing you can kind of throw in there, a little embellishment, would be when you're instead of playing the D bar chord, you can play this B Major Pentatonic scale lick, which will start with the open E, open A, 2nd fret, the B note, okay? Slide up to the 4th fret. So we're in this B major pentatonic shape here. 4th fret, A string, 6th fret, A string. Okay, it's just a really good practice to just work on that. That's also going to be your sort of jamming vehicle in this song is a B to an E, which they call a vamp. So it's like... Okay, so you can solo over that B, E chord progression there in the key of B major. Okay, so let's move on to the chorus. F sharp minor. Ask of you to C sharp minor. Just one thing. Ask of you. A. Just one thing for E. Please forget you knew my name. C sharp minor. Okay, let's do that again. F sharp minor. ask of you, C sharp minor, A, E, B, C sharp minor to A, shake it, B, Sugaree. C sharp minor, just don't tell them that you're A. Oh, that's sweet. Love this song. So, you know, like I said, when you're jamming, you can stick to the B major pentatonic scale. Right here, the first form is going to be on 4th fret. Yeah, you know, your form 1 pentatonic shape. So, you know, it's 4/7, 4/6, 4/6, 4/6, 4/7, 4/7. There's this little extension here. And your B root note. Alright, so there you have it. B, E, F sharp minor, C sharp minor, A, E. Pretty easy. You know, might dive a little bit more in depth here in another video, but you know, as always, thanks for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell icon. If you have any questions, go ahead and feel free to you know, shoot those down in the comments there down below. I'd love to see some comments and some likes. So thanks again. Have a great day.